Hello, good day my friends. Welcome to this channels. This is my first videos. I'm going to build a web-based management system. In my case, I will manage a warehouse. As for the user interface, I'm using Jquery Easyui libraries. I have downloaded from the official website. Here's Jquery Easyui version 1.6.10. This libraries has a lot of templates for user interface for creating a website. For example, accordion, calendars, checkbox, layout, tabs, text box, radio buttons, and others. So we only need a core component of these libraries to build our applications. That is jQuery, Easyui, JavaScript, jQuery itself, and the themes. Inside of the theme, there's icon folders, icon CSS, image, and UCY CSS. Okay, let's copy it to our workspace folder. And I'm going to create on my data E. Let's name it WMS CY demo. Copy all those components to the our workspace. I'm using materials theme colors for this. And last, this is one. There, we only need about 7 items. Let's open it in our text editors. Open folder as workspace. There you are. Okay. Next, we're going to create a layout. This layout is a web page, and all our application functions is presented on this web page. So all the functions on this. Let's save it as index HTML. This is the default web page. Now it's ready. It's time for codings. Okay guys, coding is done. Before we run it, let me explain what is the layout of the Easyui. Easyui layout has 4 regions. First the north, and the north is some kind of headers. You can put our application title or company title right on there. And the west is for the menu. You can put tree menu or data. You can put the tree menu or accordion menus. And south is a kind of footers. So we can put our status bar right on there. And the last one is center. The center is the main deal of all our regions. It means has you can put data grids or web page or anything out of it. So thing is clear. Now let's run it on the Firefox. Okay, we have an error here. Let's check it by inspect the element. As we check it on console. Okay, there is no a JavaScript warning or error. Let's check it the style. I have this typo error. Yes, and I just left the S behind. Yeah, let's fix it. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one. Should be Easyui, not UI, whatever it. Let's save it and reload the page. Boom. We have a nice one. Okay, this is the west one, the west region. I mean, we can arrange the width. Okay, and we can close the region and open it. This is the center, and this is the north, the south. Center is has the biggest part, so we can put directly the data grid or something like this on there. Okay, I'm sorry my English is not too good, but trying 100% to explain it. Okay, enough for this videos. On the next I will put I think I choose the tree menu to present the menu, and adding tabs components right in here, so the tree menu and tabs will interact with each other, and fix the style. Maybe you can put the logo right in here, and maybe we can change the font color and others. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this component, and if you have questions, just put any comment. Maybe I could answer it directly. I hope so. Thank you for watching guys here.